How to make the wormhole effect. Today's video is sponsored by Melinda Gates, with Bill's money of course. Open your clip in the Fusion page. Bring a Motion Trails node. If this is not available in the free version, you can use the duplicate node or you can buy the studio version finally. Change the drop-off slider to 0.5. Open the Move Trail menu, and increase the zoom slider a bit. Change the border type to Replicate. Right-click in the Rotate slider, and select to modify with Anim Curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, and change the source to Duration. If you have a bad taste, you can leave it as it is now. Add an ellipse mask to the trails. Activate the keyframe for the center value. Make sure that you are in the first frame, and move the mask and try to keep your subject in the center of the mask. Move few frames forward and move the mask again. Keep doing this until the end of your clip. Once you've finished, check the invert box. Increase the soft edge slider, and play around with the border width. Add a glow node. Decrease the shine threshold, and the spread value to your liking. Right-click to the gain slider, and select to modify with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, and bring down the smoothness. Set the maximum slider to 0.6, and the minimum to 0.2. Add a radial blur node. Increase the smooth strength a bit. Make sure that you are in the first frame, and activate the keyframe button for the position. Go through the frames and move the position to follow your subject. Once you've finished, you can go back and adjust the settings to find out what works best for you. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, life can be sad.